Now question of the day, find the domain of given function. F of x is 1 upon under root x square minus x minus 9x plus under root 12 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, so first of all we have focused on that part, 1 upon under root something whatever. So if this one is greater than 0, then this one is defined. So you can say that if x is common, then x into x minus 9 greater than 0. After that you can say that domain of that one is say minus infinity to 0 union 9 to open interval 9 to infinity, or making like that one, infinity to minus infinity to 0 and 9 to infinity plus 9 to infinity, like that one. Okay, now look here, what about domain of that function? Simply this one is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So you can say that that one is less than or equal to, because if multiply minus then equality are changed. That's why we got how much after factorization, x plus 6 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now after that, if you see very carefully, what about domain of that function? Simply minus 6 to 2, basically here minus 6 to close interval to 2. Okay, after that, clear? So domain of that function is like that one, domain of that function like that one. After that, but our target, what about domain of that function? Okay, so domain of that function, basically you can say that what value of x the both function are defined. So take common part of these two. Okay, so first make like that one and this one like that one. Okay, so common part this one, minus 6 to 0. Oh, that is open interval and that is close interval. So close interval minus 6 to open interval 0 is the final answer. Make it.